The wooden wall decoration can add a touch of natural beauty, warmth to any room in your home. Here are some ideas to get you started. Wooden ink can be used to cover the entire wall or just portion on it. It can be very style from traditional to modern. It can be stained or painted to natural decor. Creating ancient wall using wood plank or varying size and finishes. This can be done using reclaimed wood pellet or purchased plank. Wooden art pieces that are intricately carved can make a stunning statement to your wall. These can range from sculptures to wall hanging. Use wooden frame to display photo or artwork to your wall, and you can create a gallery by grouping several frames together. Install wooden shelves to your wall to display decorative objects or to store a book or the other items. Wooden wall hanging come in a variety of styles, from abstract designs, inspirational quotations. They can be made from variety of wood and the finishes. Customize a wooden sign with a favorite quotes and the phrase to add some personal touch to your wall decor. Use wooden plank to create a headboard to your bed. This can be stained or painted to create your wall decor using wood plank and some other wood. Moving to your walls and create a depth and interest. This can be a beautiful doorways and windows to create a reinforcing effect. Use wooden wallpaper to add wood grain texture to your wall without the expensive real wood. This is a great option for reinterest for those on a budget-friendly decor. To starting your wooden wall decoration object, consider the style of your home and choose the design as per your choice. You can make and match different wood style and finishes to create a beautiful wood. Here are some traditional details of consider when someone start and planning your wooden wall decoration project. Different type of wood have a unique texture and color, so it's important to choose the right one for your project. Some popular type of wood for wall decoration include oak, maple, pine, and cedar. The wood can be finished in many ways, from natural stain to painted finish. Consider the look and feel you want to achieve with your wall decoration and choose a finish that matches. Depending upon the type of wooden wall decoration you choose, installation method can vary. Some pieces may require professional installation, while other can be easily installed using screw at the enhancing object. Wooden wall decoration may require occasional maintenance such as dusting or restaining. Consider how much time and effort you are willing to put into maintaining your wooden decor. When hanging wood wall decoration, it's important to make sure they are truly fastened to your wall. What want to don't want to pose a safety hazard. If you are unsure about how to install your wooden wall safety, consult with a professional. Wall Wooden wall decoration can range in a price of depending upon the types of wood and size of the pictures and the piece. Consider the budget before starting your project and shop around to find the best deals and material, but also consider to purchase of option to save your money. Many consideration and details are available in this video so you can create a beautiful functional object and wooden wall decoration object that can match your home decor and character of your home. Here are some wood decor benefits. Wood is a natural material and a warmth and character to any space, which unique grain and texture create a sense of depth and a dimension that can't be applicated and replicated with other materials. Wood is a durable material that can withstand wear and tear over time and can be used in a variety of applications from flooring to wall decoration and the furniture. Wood come in a variety of style. Wood is renewable resources that can be sustainability harvested, making it an environmentally friendly option for home decor. Studies have shown that exposure to natural materials like wood has a positive effect on environment and the physical health. Wood decor can help you to create a calm and the relaxing environment in your home. Wood decor can the value of your home by enhancing the aesthetic and increasing the appeal of your home decor. Overall, wood is a timeless and versatile option for home design that offer numerous benefits and it's up upon the beauty and the durability and versatility and the sustainability. This video is about some benefits of the wooden wall shelves design ideas, and we'll present some wooden wall shelf design ideas that will inspire you and give you an idea how to increase your rustic appeal in your home decor. Wooden wall shelves are timeless and the versatile addition to any home decor. They did not only serve a functional storage solution but also add warmth, character, and style to your living space. If you are considering incorporating wooden wall shelf into your interior design, here are some benefits.